Understanding checklists or to-do lists. I understand the purpose of checklist. Ashok was extremely pleased with himself. His boss had not scolded him for not completing his job, but had given him some tips on using a tool, the checklist. He had understood that he should be making a list of all the things that he was to do. His boss had said that he should include just about everything, be it official, personal, or social. His boss had said that he should check out the list at the beginning of the day and at the end of the day and scratch out the jobs that were done and rewrite the jobs for the next day. Ashok had taken this suggestion very seriously and he started making such lists every day. But on the third day, he felt extremely bored and also felt this was getting very repetitive, writing the same jobs over and over again. His list started looking like this. 6:30, wake up and do exercise. 8:30, pick up tiffin box from mess. 9:30, reach office. 9:45, call Mr. Deshpande. 10:30, staff meeting. 13:30, do the job. 15:30, take tips from the team leader. 17:30, leave office to go to either bank or relative or the ground for a game of cricket or go shopping for daily needs. 20:30, watch the IPL. 22:30, write the diary. He did get bored because only about 3 to 4 things would vary daily. But the boss had asked him to write down everything and Ashok wanted to be like his boss and also gain respect like him. And he believed following the tip on checklists was the only way. He realized he was spending so much more time just making the list without any advantage. He started feeling frustrated and it started showing in his behavior. His friend asked him the reason for his frustration. Ashok narrated the whole story and explained how he was scribbling the same things over and over again every day. This was a senior friend of Ashok's and he asked, why are you making a checklist? Why don't you make a to-do list for the day? Ashok sat up. Now what was this new thing called a to-do list? His friend then explained, don't make a list of your personal activities. Because my boss said so, said Ashok in his mind. Just list out the things to be done in office and the list will be smaller. 9:45, call Mr. Deshpande. 10:30, staff meeting. 13:30, do the job. 15:30, take tips from the team leader. Yes, thought Ashok. This list looks smaller. But his friend added, write down as many details as you can in office work. Can you think of some? And Ashok realized he had to prepare for a seminar next week, submit his report on the last field trip, submit his expense claim, submit his leave application for the next month, take over responsibilities from his colleague who was going on a week's holiday, arrange for a few interviews for his project. These things came to his mind instantly and these were nowhere on the list. Ashok was petrified. He was confused. He felt the jobs were actually more important and here he was just making lists with different names.